बोमाकाटो साकोर्डे वाठारात खैरीच्या झाडांची कत्तल केल्ल्या प्रकरणात कुळे आणि वाळपय रान विभागान 12 जाणांचेर गुन्यांव नोंद केलो। तशेंच 40,000चे खैरीचे लाकूड, 2 वाहनां आणि झाडां मारपाक वापरिल्ले सामान मेळून 1 लाख रुपयांचो मुद्देमाल जप्त केलो। तपासा उपरांत रानांत खैरीच्या झाडांची कत्तल करून वाळपय रान विभागान गुळेली आणि केरी हांगासर धरिल्ल्या खैरींच्या झाडांची येरादारी साकोडे वाठारांतल्यान जाल्ल्याचे उक्ताडार हाडले।
4th February early morning, actually we have seized one sumo with the registration number GA8A0455 carrying care loads from Malpoi range, and 11 persons were arrested. And on further investigation, it was revealed that the offence has happened in Kollam range of North Goa division, and wherein at survey number 193/1 of Aglot village, and survey number 193 of same village, which is actually under the jurisdiction of Cashew Corporation. Some fellings have happened, and we could seize the material from the vehicle with the offenders, and also we have recovered remaining material from the offence site. So 2 cases were registered in this matter, one with the Cashew Corporation and another with the Kollam range of North Goa division. And the vehicle and offenders were actually handed over to the Kollam range, and further investigation is on. And the approximate value of the material is around 40,000 rupees. So this is actually the modus operandi wherein these small vehicles are being used for transportation of the material to cross the borders of the state. So on getting the information in timely manner, we could seize the vehicle and also the material. And further on 13/2/2024, we have seized one more vehicle, which is an Omni van with registration number GA4C1265, carrying again Acacia Kataku, care logs, and one offender who is the driver named Sri Nilin Pagansa Gawade, president of Maharashtra. He was arrested, and the source of material is identified as it is from a private area of Mayam village, and further investigation is carried out.
तर हालीच काही दिसा पयलीं फॉरेस्टान खैराचे लाकूड मारपाच्यो घडणुको घडल्यो। नॉर्थ गोवाचे DCF जे आसा जीस वर्की आनी आयज त्या बद्दल आमकां म्हायती दिली। हे मूळ केंद्र आशिल्लें साकोड्या धार बोनोड्या हांगा, आनी हांगसरल्यान गुळेली 70 तशेंच केरी हांगा खैराचे लाकूड धरलां, प्लस त्या गाडयो सीज केल्या। टोटल लाकूड जप्त केला, त्या नंतर ज्यो गाडयो धरल्या त्या सगळ्यांचो वर्थ एमावंट जो जाता तो लाखा वयर जाता। ह्या प्रकरणात जवळ जवळ 10 ते 12 लोकांचेर सध्या गुन्यांव नोंद जाल्लो आसा। अजून पुलिसांक ते म्हणजे ते फॉरेस्ट ऑफिसरांक अजून ते कोण ताब्यात मेळोंक ना। फुडलो तपास चालू आसा। हेच्या मुखार अश्यो घडणुको घडच्यो न्हू म्हणून DCF फोंडा तशेंच नॉर्थ गोवा जे रान खात्याचे अधिकारी आसा ते प्रयत्न करतले। जीस वर्कीस आनी ह्या मुखार अशे प्रकार घडचे न्ही ह्या खातीर पुरेपूर जतनाय घेवपाचें आश्वासन दिल्लें आसा। गोमंतक TV खातीर फोंडेचें नांव शेखर नायक।